Coming down this little old quad path. Got an old one under the bush here. Small guy. Squirrels obviously chewed a little, but add him to the stack, right? Checking one last spot down off the side of this hill. Got one under there, I don't know if you can see it or not. Looks to be a pretty good one. It's old, and of course, stupid squirrels got to it. Oh yeah. That's a big boy there. Ruined by squirrels. Completely trashed. Well, that's how it goes, I guess. I'm gonna work my way up out of here. I think the rain's moving in, and that's probably gonna be it for the day. So I just picked that old one up right there. Kind of looking around here to see what's going on, and I got another ancient one. It's kind of crazy looking now. Oh yeah, that one's wild. Look at that. Huh. That thing's cool. Too bad the squirrels got to him too, and he's a few years old. Looks like, this looks like a real small moose. That thing's sweet. Dang. Well, heck yeah, guys. That makes 6 for today. I guess I better look around a little better here.